Welcome to YouTube. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the incredible 2025 Chevrolet Impala SS 427. This machine is a bold tribute to Chevrolet's muscle car heritage, blending power, style, and modern engineering into one unforgettable ride. Whether you're a lifelong Impala enthusiast or just discovering the magic of this iconic nameplate, this is a car that demands attention. Now, let's talk about what makes the 2025 Impala SS 427 so exciting. Under the hood lies a monstrous 7.0-liter V8 engine, a nod to the legendary 427 cubic inch powerhouse that roared to life in the late 60s. This engine isn't just about nostalgia, it's a beast designed to deliver thrilling performance. With over 600 horsepower at your command, the Impala SS 427 rockets down the road with authority. Chevrolet has paired this powerhouse with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and plenty of torque in every gear. Whether you're cruising on the highway or hammering down a straightaway, this car offers relentless acceleration and commanding power. But performance is only half the story. The 2025 Impala SS 427 boasts a design that merges classic muscle car aggression with modern elegance. The wide stance, muscular lines, and aggressive front grille give it a dominating presence on the road. Signature LED headlights with a sharp, angular design ensure it's instantly recognizable, even from a distance. Large 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires grip the pavement with confidence, while subtle SS badging pays homage to its legendary status. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit that perfectly blends comfort and sportiness. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching hug you in place, while carbon fiber accents and brushed aluminum trim elevate the overall feel. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while a massive infotainment display offers seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system that makes every drive an immersive experience. Chevrolet hasn't forgotten about handling either. The Impala SS 427 features a performance-tuned suspension system that strikes the perfect balance between comfort and agility. Magnetic ride control ensures the car adapts to changing road conditions, while Brembo brakes provide the stopping power needed to keep this powerhouse in check. Whether you're navigating tight corners or stretching its legs on the open road, the Impala SS 427 feels sharp, precise, and incredibly rewarding to drive. Safety has also been prioritized, with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking coming standard. These technologies not only enhance safety but also add to the confidence you feel behind the wheel. The 2025 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's a celebration of American muscle, blending raw power with modern refinement. For those who crave performance, style, and a connection to automotive history, this car delivers on all fronts. Whether you're admiring its bold design, unleashing its V8 roar, or simply enjoying the ride, the Impala SS 427 leaves a lasting impression. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive content. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.